What is up, guys? Welcome back to B&C Motorsports on the Honda ATC 125M Restoration Part 2. So as you saw in that previous clip there, this little spring inside of this pull start housing broke all the crap due to the rust that it had. So I'm going to take it and put some apple cider vinegar into it. Out here at the shed, about to put some vinegar in this thing. Like I said before, 4 to 5 days on this. So this recoil still has it shipped, and it's really going to go on my nerves. Alright, just got this right rear tire off of this ATC. About to stick this new one on that I got for 30 bucks wholesale. So that was pretty sweet. Just had to pay delivery fee twice because the third one was out of stock. Now I'm planning on putting a sprocket on this thing next weekend, so hopefully I can find one and get that ordered. But for now, I'm going to stick this right rear tire back on. Got this nice carburetor here. Came with the needle like I needed. Cable choke. So when Keith gets back, I'm going to slave him into that. So this thing better run, because I just spent $100 on tires for it. That was our cost on them, which was $30 a piece plus tax. Alright, for testing purposes only, we have the line down there with a nut on the end. I changed the oil in it as you saw, so we're going to try to start it. Got some gas in there and everything.
I need to idle it up, sir?
Yeah. Now it's stuck in third. So here it is. We just tried to start it with that new tire on the front and we ended up breaking the chain. So I'm going to go to Lanier's in the morning and get a half link for it and get some gas. So we got that new front tire on. It rolls so easy. Change the oil, and I guess in about 2 or 3 seconds you guys will see me riding it, hopefully. But regardless, if you don't, this will be up Monday, so my recoil still hasn't even updated on the USPS tracking, so I don't really know about that. Still gotta get my fuel filter as well. I'll get that in the morning at Lanier's too, so that problem would be solved too. What a good way to end the day. That is the chain right there. and it broke right beside the master link that I just added. So I guess it's about to have 3 master links now, 2 side by side. So I guess I'm just gonna leave it off until I put my sprocket on it now. Good thing I bought 2 master links. Better go ahead and order some more. That went real well for me. But I already ordered this and it was like $20.65, so that's fine. The front headlight burned out, but this one is a new one, so it shouldn't burn out. I still need a taillight lens cover. If anybody's got one, comment below, because I really need one. And if you have one, I will buy it through eBay. So let me know if you have a taillight cover for a 85 ATC 125M.